Hi guys, my name is Julie. I'm from Russia and sorry. I'm from Russia and today what is wrong? And this video is brought especially for those who are learning Russian and still don't get these phrases that Russian actually use a lot in their vocabulary and daily life too. So let's dig into this right now because it's gonna be fun, it's gonna be confusing, but I'm here to help you figure out everything. So let's go right now. The first gonna be under a dog's tail. We use this variation under cat's tail. In Russian is psu под хвост or коту под хвост. When you can say this when you did something and this just all your effort has been wasted, and you can say коту под хвост under a cat's tail. That means that all the efforts that you've been putting on to do something, you can say коту под хвост. So how you can use this in Russian, for example? I'm just gonna give you an English example so you can actually figure out on this on your own. So for example, you've been trying to build, a sand castle, for example, on the beach, and then there's rain coming and your castle just ruined everything, and you can just say it's under a dog's tail, under a cat's tail. All your time, all your efforts has been wasted, so you just wasted your time for nothing. Especially that will be unfair if you were preparing this castle for some contest or whatever. That's gonna be it. Another phrase, it's хлопать ушами, to clap ears. That means that you can say when you're trying to explain someone something, obviously, and you've been putting this so much effort into explaining, and another person is inattentive or is being distracted, you can say, are you clapping your ears? What the hell? I'm trying to explain you. Just what did you do? You've been so inattentive, you clapped your ears. It's not like an elephant, it just phraseologism here. Do not clap your ears because I'm going to the next one. Okay, this is excellent actually because we use it also here when you are so hungry, and you can actually, afford to, or you can have a full meal or full breakfast. You can kill the worm. That means заморить червячка, because you are satisfying your hunger but you're not full, so that means that you ate something a little bit and you killed the worm, but not an elephant in your stomach, whatever. Another word phrase is mangle the firewood. Наломать дров in Russian. That means to mess up or screw up. That means did a mess out of something. You just been putting a lot of efforts into something and you just mangle their firewood. You messed up, you screwed up. Наломать дров. Another is also used a lot, especially I think in the crowded places like in Moscow, for example, if you're using a train, metro, or you are in a very crowded shopping center, you can say I feel like herring in a barrel, and that means как селедка в бочке, or like a sardine in a can, because it's logical very much, because you feel so tight you can move around, and you feel like a herring in a barrel or like a sardine in a can. That is very logical. Keep it in mind. We are going to the next one. To pull a cat's tail. That means тянуть кота за хвост. Yeah, we use a lot of animal related explanations of some things. to procrastinate, actually. Yeah, when you're, just like trying to do, when you have an assignment to do something and you're actually pulling a cat's tail, because it's hard when you pull a cat's tail. The cat would usually, So basically, you're procrastinating. I don't have to explain what procrastinate is, isn't it? Am I? Okay, I think I don't have to, but anyways, to pull a cat's tail, it's to procrastinate. Тянуть кота за хвост. The other one is also very very popular. Hang noodles on the ears. That means that someone is been lying to you. Вешать лапшу на уши. You hang noodles on the ears. That means like it. That's it. Lying to someone, like a rock. That's it. Okay, the other one is actually funny. Hands do not reach to look. Hands do not reach to look. Руки не доходят посмотреть. Руки не доходят посмотреть. How your hands are not reaching to look, I mean just like basically your mouth is blowing right now probably. But we're using this phrase to explain that we don't have time to do something. I don't know why, it's just like you can use like your legs. Oh shit. You can use your legs. Basically, your legs not reaching to look, but we are using our hands. That means руки не доходят посмотреть. That means you don't have time to do something. Like, have you watched this TV show that been uploaded recently? No, I didn't have time to do that. You can say in English, but in Russian we would say like руки не доходят посмотреть. You can say actually, no, I didn't have time. Нет, я не смог посмотреть, потому что времени не было. But you're saying like, no, руки не доходят посмотреть. It's really funny. Okay, and that's it. We are going to our final, very much final, and it's really funny though, I think. And you ask some Russian, he would probably, some situations, he wouldn't give you a solid answer like yes or no. He would just like say yes, no, probably, or yes, no, maybe. That we can translate it. Да нет, наверное. And what is it? Да нет, наверное. Yes, no, probably. That means rather no than a yes. But he's not so sure, because da here is a yes, and it's not for the meaning of a yes. It's for expression, emotional, like, just like yes, no, probably. And you're just like putting your efforts, your emotions into the phrase, and you're just like saying yes, no, probably. And it's really confusing for some foreigners, I guess, but still it's rather no than a yes. That's it, guys. It's been 9 phrases here in Russia that we use often, and you can hear from a Russian and you're gonna be probably confusing, like what the hell are they talking about? Now you know. If you have any phrases that you have been hearing from Russians or TV shows, whatever else you've been confusing and you didn't know who to ask, you can ask me here on the comments. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're going to subscribe to my YouTube channel because it's growing and I see how much you guys like it, some of you, and I'm really happy to be here as much as you are. I hope so, and I see you next time. Do not forget to film this YouTube video today. Bye, and I will see you next week. Yes, no, probably. Bye.